Hey, what's going on, team? It's Ricky with TechBot Solutions. Hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. So a little bit of a different video for you guys today. The reason that I'm making this video is not only based off my experience, but I've had a lot of members bring up the certain issues that they've been having with TD Ameritrade. And since we're known to use TD Ameritrade so much, I just thought I'd make this video. One of the things that I do want to encourage you to do is, if I missed out some of the flaws that you are experiencing with the platform, please share that in the comment section so our viewers can be more informed. And that's exactly why I'm making this video. It's not to call any platform out. It's just like any other platform, service, or software. Things are always going to have issues. There's no such thing as a perfect software or overall working system. And TD Ameritrade, and no question, is no exception. Ever since TD Ameritrade went to commission-free trading, I did begin to experience a little bit more issues. And the first one, out of the three, the third one is the most important. It's been lagging a little bit more. Again, I think that this just has to do with the increased number of users. I'm sure that a good deal of brokerages that went commission-free trading just began to receive more accounts that signed up. Therefore, their servers might be having a little bit more trouble in keeping up with all the new accounts. So going into the second issue that I've been experiencing, as I'm sure many of you guys have, has to be overall order execution. First of all, TD Ameritrade has never been known to have the best order execution. I came from Fidelity, and Fidelity was one of the first brokerages that I ever worked with. And one of the things that I was informed of is Fidelity does a little bit more for their customers in the idea that they try to get better order executions for their traders or for their investors in comparison to many other platforms out there that maybe try to either trade against or make money off of the spread, as Robinhood is known to do. At the end of the day, again, I did begin to experience a little bit more of a lag between order execution. I've had a lot of people share that as soon as the market opens or right before the market closes, you can set a market order and you don't get filled. I can't say that I've ever experienced that, but one of the issues that I do want to share is moving into the third issue. And this is my third and biggest issue that I actually have with TD Ameritrade. So I'm a very proactive trader. I do this every day, and this is part of my job. So I am very involved with the platform and staying up to date with my account. I understand that not everyone is as involved or as informed. So I took an order today on you guys. I placed the limit order for 150 shares when I was already filled with 50 shares. So I had 50 current shares of you guys. This was before the market opened, and getting close to 7:30, which is when the market opens here, I had an order for 150 shares. One of the things that I saw is I got really close to market open. There's a lot of volatility. I went to cancel my order. I began to see TD Ameritrade begin to lag. As I closed out TD Ameritrade and I signed back in, I came to find out that I actually got filled on the order that I previously canceled, and it did show that my order was successfully canceled. And 150 shares is a good deal of money. It's a little over $6,000 of having an open position on something that you were not aware of that you actually got filled on. It was something that I thought that I canceled. I was quickly able to pick up on that. You guys recovered a little bit and then we were kind of just fine, right? So I was able to get out of that little pickle. But one of the reasons that I have such a big issue with this is because there are so many new people that have possibly signed up for TD Ameritrade because of their commission-free trading. They're most likely coming from Webull, they're most likely coming from Robinhood, and their overall experience levels, especially with a little bit more of an advanced platform, are probably not up to par to be aware of what's going on. When someone thinks that they canceled an order and might continue and go on with their day, and come to later find out that they actually got filled in an order. And I just think that that could be super, super discouraging. And it's not a position that I want any of our traders to be. So the reason that I'm making this video is not to call anyone out. I know that there is no such thing as a perfect working system or software for everyone. But the idea that I had behind this video was to at least inform you and make you aware of these issues and these flaws that we are experiencing with this platform. With that in mind, it can at least better prepare you for when you do encounter one of these issues on how you can actually recover from it. One of the things that I do want to share that not enough people are aware of is, especially if you're coming from those free trading platforms such as Robinhood and Webull, one of the things that TD Ameritrade does so well is that they actually have an amazing customer support team. So if you can actually prove to them that you did cancel your order and you were unrightfully filled on your position and it was because of the lag, right, on the software side, and it was not your fault, I have known learned that there has been many cases in favor of the actual user, meaning that TD Ameritrade actually reimburses you for the difference that you might have lost. So I think that this is at least information that you can take away. So if you are put in that unfortunate situation, you can at least recover from it. Again, you don't want to make any false claims, especially if they can prove that you didn't actually cancel the order. But the overall idea is there. And if we earn your thumbs up, then that only means that we can reach more people and inform them on the issues and flaws that TD Ameritrade is currently going through. So I really hope that this video can at least inform you guys on how to prepare and how to better use this platform with current issues that we currently do have. And hopefully TD Ameritrade can work on improving their software to better suit the traders that they currently have that are using the platform. Altogether on the day, if you guys didn't see my overall recap, I was up about $800 when I went live this morning. I ended up closing the day a little bit over $1,000 profit. So I took my first order at 7:15 a.m. and my last order a little bit before 10 a.m. So a little bit over 2 hours of trading today, almost 3 hours. I had a lot of fun. I nearly doubled my daily goal. I really do appreciate your guys' time. Don't forget to share the issue that you are experiencing with TD Ameritrade to better inform our audience as well. Also, if you guys want to stay connected, we do run the largest Facebook group in the world for those that day trade in the stock market, and that's going to be that first link down below. I really do appreciate your guys' time, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.